Hook, have you ever wondered if Gemini dollar is actually crypto? It's a question that's been buzzing around the crypto community for a while, and today, we're diving deep into it. Building context, Gemini dollar is a stablecoin, a type of cryptocurrency pegged to a traditional currency or commodity. In this case, it's pegged to the US dollar, meaning one Gemini dollar is supposed to be worth $1 US. But is it really crypto? Let's break down the key factors to consider. Factor 1. Blockchain technology. Definition: blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger that records transactions. It's the backbone of many cryptocurrencies. Gemini dollar and blockchain. Yes, Gemini dollar is built on the Ethereum blockchain. This means transactions are recorded on a public ledger, providing transparency and security. Factor 2. Decentralization. Definition: decentralization means no single entity controls the network. It's a core principle of cryptocurrencies. Gemini dollar and decentralization. While Gemini dollar is built on a decentralized blockchain, it's not fully decentralized. Gemini Trust Company, the issuer, has control over certain aspects of the stablecoin, such as minting and redeeming. Factor 3. Price volatility. Definition: price volatility refers to how much a currency's value fluctuates. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility. Gemini dollar and price volatility. Gemini dollar is designed to be stable, maintaining a value close to $1 US. This is achieved through various mechanisms, including holding US dollar reserves. Factor 4. Investment potential. Cryptocurrency investment. Cryptocurrencies offer the potential for high returns, but also come with significant risks. Gemini dollar investment. Gemini dollar is primarily used as a stable store of value, rather than for speculative investments. It offers a way to participate in the crypto ecosystem without the same level of risk. Factor 5. Regulatory compliance. Cryptocurrency regulation. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is evolving, with different jurisdictions having varying rules. Gemini dollar regulation. Gemini Trust Company is regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYDFS, which is known for its strict regulations. This adds a layer of legitimacy and compliance to Gemini dollar. Conclusion. So, is Gemini dollar crypto? The answer is both yes and no. While it's built on a blockchain and uses many of the same technologies as other cryptocurrencies, it's not as decentralized and doesn't offer the same level of price volatility. Gemini dollar is a unique asset that combines elements of traditional finance and decentralized technology, making it a valuable tool for many people in the crypto space. And, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.